Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be fun. I'm just sitting down and I'm going to go over some of my current favorites with you guys. These are cleaning favorites, lifestyle, and some beauty products in there too that I'm really excited to talk about today. I always love watching these kinds of videos and just kind of seeing what people are using and what they like. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Today's video is also super exciting. I cannot even believe that we're here, you guys, and that we're filming this, but it is my 5,000 subscriber giveaway video, and I wanted to announce that all of these current favorites, plus one little bonus gift that I'm going to be sharing with you today, is my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So as soon as I hit 5K, which hopefully, fingers crossed, is just a couple of days from now, I will be giving all of these products away. So isn't that super fun? I thought this would be a fun way to do this. All you have to do to enter today's giveaway is be subscribed to my channel and comment on today's video down below and just let me know what you would be most excited to get from today's giveaway. And that is literally it. You will be entered. So make sure you watch this through, comment down below, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. So let's go ahead and jump into the products. So first things first, back in August when school kind of got back in session, they put out a bunch of new planners like they always do at Target. And at that time I was just kind of getting my wheels going, so to speak, on YouTube, and I was kind of figuring things out, figuring out my schedule, and I was trying to find a way to stay organized and kind of plan and be productive. So back in August, I picked up this Day Designer planner from Target. I love this, you guys. I know I've used the Happy Planner before, and I've never had the Erin Conrad planner. Is that how you say it? Not Conrad. Conrad, is that right? I don't know. The one that everybody talks about. But I will say, for more of your budget-friendly planners, this is the best one by far that I found. It's really basic, to the point, but it has a lot of cool stuff and a lot of cool features. So let me kind of jump into it with you. So you open it up to the front page, and it's hardback, which I really like because you can put it in your purse, kind of throw it in a bag, and it's not going to get beat up. But the first page has, I hope it's focused, has a bunch of cool stickers. You can kind of see they're gold, they're really pretty, different labels. Don't forget, paydays, grateful, me time, vacation, to-do list. So it's got a little bit of that feel in there. And I just kind of want to show you the layout of it. So on the month, it's just your typical month, but it has lines, and I love that it's lined because I'm terrible at drawing like straight or writing straight. So that feature is really nice. And on the day, this is my favorite part about it. It has today's schedule and then your to-do list, and it's got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things that you can have on there. So it's really nice. So that's how I kind of like to plan. Like I have a schedule and then kind of my to-do list, but then there is a box for just notes, a box for gratitude, which I love. And then on the other side, there's also this week's top 3. Super awesome. I love that. So if there's like 3 big things you just need to get done, you know, get an oil change or whatever, you know, for that week, you can kind of put it there. So that's the basic layout of it. It was like $16.99 or something. It was super cheap compared to a lot of planners. I feel like you get a lot of bang for your buck. So it's a current favorite. I also wanted to mention, I'll try to link as much as I can down below too. So if you're interested in this and you don't win the giveaway, it'll be down below. My next product is kind of, it's a current favorite because I've been using it every day, but it's kind of more of a holy grail favorite. I've been using it for on and off for a year or so, but like religiously for a few months since the summer. But is the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptide Powder. This is so great. There's 20 grams of collagen per serving. It's really good for your skin, your hair, your nails, joint support. Let's see, what does it say in the back? It's for youthful appearance, skin hydration, skin elasticity. It's paleo friendly. It's so good for you, especially I feel like in the winter months you need that hydration. It's so good. And I mix it in my coffee because I put creamer in my coffee anyway, so I don't really taste it at all. It's not really flavored. But a lot of people put it in their smoothie, and if you were really hardcore, you could just like throw it in some water or some juice and just like chug it quick. But This is a total favorite of mine. Okay, I apologize. I had to move my camera because it keeps going in and out from clouds to sun. It's kind of rainy here today, so we're moving around. But I feel like this would not be a favorites video without some Mrs. Meyer's products. I love their products so much. I've been recently using the Snowdrop scent. I picked it up at Target actually, but it's a really nice kind of citrusy, clean floral scent. It's really great. So I've been using the all-purpose spray as well as the dish soap. So I included that. Along those same lines, I have been obsessed with Draft Again, you guys. I used this when Emma was a newborn and right before she was born too. It smells so good. I know some people don't like the scent. I don't know. I love it. I love using the detergent and the scent boosters. The scent boosters really make a huge difference. Like if you're using it in your washing machine, it makes the whole house smell like fresh laundry. It's so good. So had to include that as well. Now for some good stuff. The first scent this is my favorite scent this year, I think. Every time I light it, it makes my entire house smell good. If anybody comes over, they're like, oh my gosh, what is that scent? I need it in my life. And it is Cinnamon and Irish Cream from Bath & Body Works. And it says it is cinnamon, spiced liquor, Irish cream, French vanilla, and essential oils. So it basically smells like Bailey's, like really good Bailey's and cream. Just a nice creamy, kind of spicy vanilla scent. It's so good. And the other scent is more of a, I feel like it's more of a traditional fall scent that everybody loves and everybody talks about, but that is Leaves. This scent is crisp red apple, golden nectar, warm clove, and essential oils. This just smells like fall. It does. It smells so good. But I thought this was really cute because it has kind of wintry packaging, so you could kind of transition it into definitely through November, but even to like beginning of December. So those are my two favorite candles this fall. Okay, don't laugh at me, you guys, but I have socks in my favorites video. I'm such like a little old lady sometimes. Yeah. So I picked up a pair of these probably about a month or so ago. It's A New Day brand at Target. And they had this whole section with like these, I don't know if you can tell on camera. They're like super soft and fuzzy, and I love wearing them this time of year. So cozy. I feel like there's not much else to say about socks. They're just so cozy. So included these in my favorites because why not? On the same note as the candles, I have been loving these what is it called? Car air freshener visor clip. So you just stick it on your visor in your car, and you can get these little scent pods. This one is in pumpkin apple, so it smells really good, like fall. You can scratch it. I don't know, but I currently have this in my car and I have been loving it this season. So it's a great little, it really lasts a long time too, especially if you have a couple of them. It's great. I think I purchased this when I did my car clean out video, and I've been using it ever since. I'm so sorry that I keep having to move. My lighting is just crazy, and yeah, I keep having to like shift because the sun keeps moving, so bear with me. Hopefully we can get through this here really quick. So the next product I wanted to talk about is a beauty product, and it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Spray. It is so great for your hair. It's supposed to do like 10 things. There's a tag on it, so I can't even read it all. But it conditions and just gives a ton of shine and bounce and just feels amazing. If you spray it in before you blow it out, your hair is so silky smooth. So I highly recommend it. And I love this stuff. I've been using it for a few months now. It's not cheap by any means, but it's worth it. Now I have a lip gloss that I have been loving. This is the Bare Minerals lip lacquer, and I'm gonna try to open the packaging without like breaking the box here. Here we go. There we go. But you can see it here. It's like their nude collection. But the shade of this one is called Girl Boss. So I loved that. But let me show you. You can kind of see it's just a really pretty pink nude that I have been loving. This is the Soap and Glory Hand Food. The most astonishing hand cream ever. You decide. Non-greasy, hydrating hand cream with shea butter, macadamia oil, and marshmallow. It's like a marshmallow scent to it. Smells so good, but it feels like butter on your hands. It is like the best this time of year. My hands get so dry and cracked, so this just kind of lives on my stand and I use it all the time. And I also, I got this for, I don't know, I needed new perfume a few months back and I picked it up, but it is the Gucci Bloom. The scent is called Bloom. I loved the packaging on this. I think that's what initially drew me to the perfume. It's just really pretty red florals. This is a roller ball, but it's big, so you'll get a lot out of it. I know I bought it the roller ball and it's lasted me like months and months. Oh, it smells so good. It's very like clean and it's just got a hint of floral. It's so pretty, you guys. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this. I think for Christmas I'm gonna ask for a full bottle of it. All right, you can't even read it because it's nude. It's KKW Beauty. This is a eyeshadow palette that is so pretty. It has been so great this fall, but you can see there, look how pretty. So many pretty nudes, but then kind of golds, rose golds, there's glitter, there's shimmer shades, there's matte shades. It is beautiful. It's like butter. Seriously, I feel like a beauty guru right now, but like, look at that. I kind of want to do this red one. I'm gonna do all of them. Oh, this one's not quite as. Look at that. Oh, these colors are breathtakingly beautiful. I don't wear a ton of eye makeup, but whenever I do my eyeshadow, this is what I've been using, so. So my coffee's back there, but those were all of the products that I had to share with you today. They are all items that I've currently been loving, using on a daily basis, and I hope you love them too. And I wanted to mention again with the giveaway, the winner will receive all of the products that I talked about today, as well as a $50 Target gift card. So you can knock around with Target. I thought it'd be fun to share a few things I love with you, but then also you being able to just use this cash to go use it at Target and spend it however you want. It's just my way of saying thank you, because again, thank you all so much for supporting my channel, for subscribing, for being here every week and watching my videos. It really does mean the world to me. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you. And I also wanted to mention again, all you have to do is be subscribed and comment down below on this video letting me know which product you'd be the most excited to get, which one was your favorite, and that's really it. And I also want to mention, I feel like there's so many details, but this giveaway will be open until Sunday at midnight. So you have the rest of the week to enter, so make sure you do. And I'll see you all really soon in the next one. Bye guys.